Welcome to Paris. Paris, the city of light, has been a dream destination for millions of travelers. From iconic landmarks to charming streets, this city has something magical for everyone. In this video, we'll explore its rich history, breathtaking views, and vibrant culture. Whether you're here for art, food, or romance, Paris never disappoints. Let's dive into its timeless beauty. Paris is home to some of the world's most famous attractions. The Eiffel Tower stands tall as a symbol of love and engineering brilliance. A visit to the Louvre, the largest art museum globally, lets you marvel at masterpieces like the Mona Lisa. Notre-Dame Cathedral, despite undergoing restoration, remains a Gothic marvel with its stained glass and sculptures. Don't forget the Arc de Triomphe, honoring French soldiers, and the Champs-Élysées for a scenic stroll. A visit to Paris is incomplete without indulging in local experiences. Start with a Seine river cruise to enjoy the city's landmarks from the water. Stroll through Montmartre, the artistic heart of Paris, where cobblestone streets lead to the stunning Sacré-Cœur Basilica. Savor the café culture with a croissant and café au lait in hand, soaking in the Parisian way of life. Explore Parisian bakeries and markets for authentic flavors. Beyond the famous landmarks, Paris hides treasures waiting to be discovered. Le Marais offers historic streets, trendy boutiques, and culinary delights. The covered passages like Galerie Vivienne are perfect for finding unique shops and enjoying 19th century architecture. For a peaceful escape, visit the Canal Saint-Martin, a favorite among locals for its charming atmosphere and serene ambiance. Paris transforms into a sparkling wonderland at night. The Eiffel Tower glows brilliantly, and the Seine is illuminated by surrounding lights. The Latin Quarter offers vibrant nightlife with jazz bars and cozy bistros. A walk by the Seine under the moonlight is an experience straight out of a romantic movie, showcasing why Paris is synonymous with love. Paris is a city that captivates every visitor with its charm, history, and elegance. From its iconic monuments to hidden corners, every moment here is a treasure. Whether it's your first visit or your 10th, Paris always has something new to offer. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the City of Light. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more travel adventures. Merci et bientôt.